Hello friends and dear students, welcome everyone to this video on the best memory tips in order to remember easily and learn faster. Students can increase their memorizing abilities by using the scientific memory tips. First, understand the concepts clearly while learning. The academic information that is well understood will be easier to memorize. Connect the information you are trying to memorize to something that you already know. Actively recall the information while studying each concept. Do not simply reread the notes or a textbook. Create mind maps for topics you are learning to get the deeper level of information processing. Visualize the information. Quickly review the information learned every day just before sleep. For a concept to move from the temporary working memory to the long-term memory, it should be repeated. Use repeated recall to firmly lodge the information in memory. Prepare the note cards. Writing important points while learning will help to deeply encode the information that we are trying to learn. Use mnemonics. Using the mnemonics will make the information more memorable. The mnemonic devices can be acronyms, music mnemonics, or rhyming mnemonics. Practice interleaving. Interleaving is the idea of mixing or alternating the concepts that you want to memorize. This will yield better results in the end than simply spending long periods of time on the same concept. Using these memory tips, students can improve their ability to encode, retain, and recall the academic information and get the best results in exams. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Best wishes to all students. Thank you. Have a nice day.